This is Durban, South Africa. Today, we are going to explore this beautiful coastal city which we call our home. This is Ushaka Marine World. It's a theme park in which you can find Africa's highest water slide. As you can tell, Durban is a place filled with diversity and culture. Did you know that Durban was voted one of the greenest cities in the world? That magnificent piece of architecture is the one and only Moses Mabhida Stadium. The stadium was specially built for the 2010 FIFA World Cup.
George Campbell School of Technology, a place we call our home away from home. It is a place where people from different backgrounds and temperaments come together with the purpose to learn and secure a bright future. A school that has taught us to live by three principles: love, integrity, and respect. Every school in Durban comes with its own well-known uniqueness, but the technical subjects offered at our school is a trademark of our school's uniqueness. We as the Tech Guys S.A saw it as a need to attend such a school in 2015 because of our passion for digital electronics, a technical subject that made us realize our personal uniqueness and individuality.
My name is Keenan Nagin. I am 17 years old and I am a proud student of George Campbell School of Technology. Being a digital electronic learner has its challenges, but it also happens to be a ton of fun. This is our digital electronics workshop, and I'm sure you figured out that my friends stole my phone. As you can tell, I love cars just as much as I love electronics. I've always had a passion for electronics. My mind is constantly amused at how things work. In my ideal future, I hope to study either electronic or mechatronic engineering. For our digital electronic prac in 2019, we were required to build and design a sound-to-light system. Our first stage is always prototyping, in which we check if our components and our final system will actually work. After testing the circuit to one of my favorite songs, it was time to transfer the design onto a variable. I then drew up some plans for what the possible housing of my prac could look like. I came up with a speaker design so you can play music and the sound-to-light system captures the audio frequencies. Personally, the hardest part of the prac was actually connecting that board to the LEDs on top, but after that was done, it was time for some fun.
Rising up in the streets of Durban, we were singing.
And this is the complete masterpiece. I decided to call it the Photon of Light. I have no idea why I called it that, but that's its name.
My name is Dylan Dlamini and I'm 17 years of age. I've had a passion for electronics since my exposure to it from a young age. This is my 2019 Sound to Life project called The Matrix. I've been told by an engineer to always design and make something I myself would purchase, and so I made this. This is my 2017 pact, and as you may see, it was a huge one. I've always lived up to the words "go big or go home," and I might taken it a bit far this time. During my spare time, I love playing the game of football, as this helps discipline my mentality. As a way of de-stressing, I spend most of my Saturdays watching the awesome game of rugby and afterwards taking selfie with some of SA's finest rugby players.